Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today onwards we will learn Linux, so Linux operating system. So as on our subscribers demand, I'm starting the Linux classes. So let us start the Linux. So first of all, we understand why we want to learn Linux operating system. So I have designed 10 points why we want to learn the Linux. So first point is understand the Linux OS. OS means operating system. Linux is an open source operating system that oversees interact with the system's hardware. Like it's an operating system and it will interact with the system's hardware. So second point, navigating the file system. Should be comfortable navigating around the Linux file system using the commands like pwd, cd, and etc. So these commands we will execute later on in upcoming videos. In upcoming videos, we will execute these commands and we can know how these commands will work. So we can understand how to navigate the file system. And the file operations learns how to create, touch, copy, rename, move, delete. So all these are commands. We will learn step by step commands in the upcoming videos. So the fourth point is directory operations. Understand how to create directory, navigate directory, and remove directories. So we'll learn these things also in the upcoming videos. And using the terminal. So how we can use terminal? Like the terminal is a powerful tool in Linux. Learn basic commands and how to use them effectively. So how can we use this terminal and how can we execute the commands in that terminal? And we will learn those things in the upcoming classes. So we will learn permissions, understand file permissions, how to change them using the chmod command. So we will learn chmod command, how we can use chmod command. So the next one is package management. Learn how to install, update, and remove software using package managers like app, yum, and dnf package managers. So, and after that, process management. Learn how to start, stop, and monitor system processes. And ninth point is networking. Understand basic networking commands like ping, ifconfig, netstat, etc. So we will learn these things. Shell scripting, basic knowledge of shell scripting can automate repetitive tasks. So I have written some 4 points about shell scripting. Let us read the 4 points. So automation, shell scripting is a primarily used to automate repetitive system tasks such as backing up files, monitoring system resources, and user accounts. Managing user accounts. So we can, by shell scripting, we can do backing up files, monitoring system resources, and managing user accounts. So all these things we can do using shell scripting. Efficiency, by turning a series of commands into script, system administrators can save time, increase accuracy, and simplify complex tasks. And third point is portability. Shell scripts can be transferred to other Unix and similar operating systems and execute. So uh, we can transfer those things into the other Unix. So Unix also has a similar operating system. So we can transfer those things into the Unix. So flexibility. Shell scripting allows you to perform tasks that are difficult or impossible to perform with just individual commands. So shell scripting allows you to perform tasks that are difficult. So you can perform tasks which are difficult using shell scripting. So if we find any impossible task, so by using shell scripting, we can do it. So Shell scripting, we have to learn. So job roles, once you learn how to navigate Linux, those skills are transferred to many other job roles that you use it. So by learning Linux, we can get a good job. So we can get a good role in some good organization. So these are the 10 points. So why we have to learn Linux. So that's it, friends. I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.